DJ Envy. Now, shout out to Real Estate Heat TV. They got the hottest new real estate channel. Shout out to my man, real estate coach Anthony Legins and coach Armond Wright. They bring the heat with the latest strategies and techniques to take you to the next level. So make sure you subscribe now, right? Salute.
Hey, welcome to Real Estate Heat TV, the hottest new real estate channel. I am your host today, real estate coach and mentor Anthony Legins, and we got my man, real estate coach and mentor Armond Wright.
What's up? What's up?
Sir,
let's make it do what it do.
Yeah, we excited, man. We was talking, man, before we started turning on doing the show today, and I'm telling you, man, we geek, man. We hype, man.
Yes,
we excited to bring this heat to you, man, because today our mind came up, man. He got something hot to drop for us today, and I'm gonna chip in and I'm gonna speak, my mind on some things. But we were saying, we definitely want to give a shout out to you, our listeners and our viewers.
Yes.
We greatly appreciate your support. And, we give a shout out to everybody out here that's doing their thing in the real estate game right now. Whether you succeed or having some challenges, if you are having some challenges, you want to watch today's program because we're going to share some information with you that's going to be quite beneficial with you. So what we going to talk about today, Brother Armond?
Man, we're going to talk about mindset, man. At a lot of different programs, a lot of people start off with mindset, and you might see that common thing. A lot of people are probably just blowing that off. But, man, it's critical, man. If you're going to do anything, you got to have your mind right. As we say, you have your mind right to get your money right. So we talk about mindset, getting your mind right. So say, for example, you start your day in the morning and you listen to whatever music you listen to. Say you listen to some hip hop music or whatever. Getting you in a really, really good mood. Then all of a sudden, you got your day all planned out. You're going to do, you're going to make some phone calls. I'm just speaking from a real estate investor perspective. You're going to make some phone calls. I'm going to call this many people. I'm going to follow up on this many people. I got my music going to get me in a good mood, right? So I'm headed down the right path, right? I got my mind right. I got the music going. I'm headed down the right path. Then all of a sudden, say you get in an argument with someone. Yeah, you get in an argument with someone, or not necessarily an argument, or say a disagreement. Throw your mind off. You throw your mind off, and before you know it, your whole day just started going in a whole different direction. So the one thing we do is just we want to talk about that mindset, getting your mind right.
Yes, sir. Get your mind right, man. I remember, man, Jay-Z and Memphis Bleak and Snoop Dogg had a song that called Get Your Mind Right, man. I used to love bumping that song, man. It helped me out, man. But no doubt, man, because Armond and I, we'd never be successful, man, be getting to the levels that we've been able to attain in our real estate careers without the proper mindset, because real estate is a tough game, man. Real estate, is great. The money is lovely, especially once you get your, momentum going and things of that nature. But, you got to have your mind right.
Your mind right.
Have your mind right,
Absolutely.
But, we were talking to our mind, like, what gets you pumped up, man? What actually gets you pumped up to, man, actually want to get out here and, make it happen, man, like you do?
Well, one thing I'm a big fan of, like I was saying, you got the negativity out here. Like, say a lot of people spend a lot of time watching the news. Like, whatever side your political views, a lot of people get into politics or whatnot, whether you're a Democrat or Republican or whatever. A lot of people spend a lot of time doing that, and they throw them into a different type of mode. And before you know it, you are talking about something that's not about getting your money. You know what I mean? Let's talk about getting your money. Whether you're a Democrat or Republican, it's still at the end of the day about you getting your money, because they getting their money. So that's what we want to get you focusing on, about getting the bag, you know what I mean? And so what kind of starts me off, I try to fill my day with a lot of positivity. So I get up in the morning, drink water. You got to keep yourself hydrated. The goal is to exercise every day. Some days I'd be slipping though, but the goal is to exercise every day. And as well as feed your mind. One thing I do consistently, feed my mind with a lot of positive audiobooks. Now you got, with the advancement of technology, we got YouTube and whatnot. feeding your mind with a lot of positivity. But it goes a little step further than that. You talk about your mind right, getting your mind right, but man, you gotta be hungry. If you want to be successful in anything, you gotta be hungry for it. You gotta be passionate about it. You know what I mean? And that's what we're we're passionate about helping as many people as possible. So we want you to subscribe, follow us. If you got some comments, you got some questions about real estate, you can type them down in the comment section. We'll get back with you, but that's what we're passionate about. We're passionate about helping you get to that next level. And if it's in real estate or whatever, we just all about just helping people. That's what we're about. They pass it over to Brother Legins.
Yeah. Man, Armond, I feel you, bro. I can't help but feel you, man. You know what I'm saying? Like me, you know, I like to listen to certain songs, you know, that motivate me, and it all depends. I mean, some days or some periods, man, I'm listening to classical, to be honest with you. I'm bumping out some Mozart requiems or, you know, something, you know, some Beethoven, but you know, I got my other days, you know, I got to listen to that Jay-Z, man. Or I've been vibing with my man Busta Rhymes' latest album, Extinction Level Event 2, man. I've been some of them songs been pumping me up, man, you know, but you got to find, you know, I'm saying that because you got to find what it is that's going to get you going, that's going to get you pumped up. Yes. You know, and then you have to learn how to be mentally strong. You know, yes, and that, you know, because getting all the, you know, you're gonna get a lot of no's. You're gonna get a lot of no's out here. You know, you're gonna try a lot of things, and things may not, you know, manifest, but as quickly as you want. You know, right. And that's the thing too, is that real estate taught me patience, because I, like, you know, most people, I like to have consistent cash flow. You know, you get comfortable with the 9-to-5 job, or maybe longer hours, you know, and getting that paycheck. But, you know, I had to learn, like with real estate, you may sign a contract today, all right, and that's technically a sale, but you may not get paid for another, you know, 2 to 4 weeks, you know, depending on what type of deal it is. So I had to learn how to wait. You know, but that kind of taught me some patience. But once you get that rhythm to flowing, then I'm telling you, it's gonna be great out here. You know, I was telling Armond, you know, real estate helped me achieve so many great things in life. Yes. You know, helped me achieve so many goals. Like, what are some of the things that you know really, you know, got you going there? You know, got you pumped up, Armond.
Man, for what I want to let the church say amen. Real estate, man. Real estate. Hey, it's been a tremendous blessing, man. I would say one of the highlights of my career. Yeah, the highlights of my career. Hey, well, we gonna get into it. But the highlights of my career, man, I was with Daimler Chrysler. I was with Daimler, man. And, you know, I was a supervisor at Daimler Chrysler at the Toledo plant, getting a little bit more specific, you know. But,
there's a YouTube channel you will want to subscribe to, Real Estate Heat TV. Real Estate Heat TV is destined to be the hottest new real estate channel around. They provide original content and shows in an innovative, creative, entertaining, and educating way. The concept is to provide a supreme platform for other real estate related channels and businesses to promote their respective businesses while providing the heat by sharing their knowledge, wisdom, and their expertise. Coaches Armond and Anthony bring the latest heat from the streets in the real estate industry, covering a broad and diverse range of topics, all geared towards helping you gain entry and have sustainable success in real estate. Real Estate Heat TV, the hottest new real estate channel. Check it out online at realestateheat.tv or on YouTube at Real Estate Heat TV. Share the channel on all of your social media so your friends can subscribe too. What are you waiting for? realestateheat.tv and Real Estate Heat TV on YouTube. Subscribe now.